Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, until 8 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Fort Smallwood State Park, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park and North Point State Park. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.